What is your name and where are you from?
My name's Jeremy. I'm from Texas.
Well, how long have you been working with Redmond Growth?
Oh, what, about 6 months now?
And what was one of the biggest limiting factors before working with them?
Trying to learn how to do all this search engine stuff and website building and still working in the field all day long, trying to do it by myself.
Why would you recommend Redmond Growth or the business conference here to another business owner?
The conference is great. It's a lot of information. A place where you can really hear some success stories. Redmond Growth is great because they've helped me kind of steer my business in a different direction.